Hello, now it is time to work on our grammar review page. So go ahead and get the page and fold it in half hamburger style. So we have the instructions at the top, and when you flip it over, you'll have the questions at the bottom so you can kind of quiz yourself. So once you have folded it in half, let's take a look at the instructions. An antecedent is the word or phrase a pronoun replaces. The antecedent always includes a noun. When you write a pronoun, be sure its antecedent is clear. Pronouns must also agree with their antecedents. An antecedent and a pronoun agree when they have the same number, singular or plural, and gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter. Okay, so let's look at the top. My favorite poem is by Robert Frost. It has the line, "And that has made all the difference." Underline the phrase that the bold-faced pronoun replaces. So what does it refer to? It refers to my favorite poem. So make sure you go back and underline my favorite poem. So go ahead and take a minute. I don't want you guys to work together. I want you to work independently without looking at the top for the description there. So just flip over your page and work on numbers 1 through 8. When you are done, pause the video and I will have the answers in just a minute. Okay, so once you have completed that, let's look at the answers. When I read a good poem, I think about it all day long. What does it refer to? Poem. So underline poem. Number 2. Our class reads poetry on Mondays. We read by ourselves or as a group. Who is we? We is our class. So underline our class. Number 3. When we get to choose a poet, I choose Robert Frost. He wrote many poems about nature. Who is he? He is Robert Frost. So underline Robert Frost. Number 4. Frost was awarded the Pulitzer Prize for his poetry 4 times. It is one of the most important awards for writers. What is it? It is the Pulitzer Prize, so underline Pulitzer Prize. Number 5. When John F. Kennedy was inaugurated as president in 1961, he asked Robert Frost to read one of his poems. Who is he? He is John F. Kennedy, so that should be underlined. Number 6. In The Road Not Taken, Frost tells of 2 roads in the woods. He writes that he was sorry he could not travel on both of them. What is them? Them is referring to 2 roads, so underline 2 roads. Number 7. At the end of the poem, Frost says he took the road less traveled by. So who is he? He is Frost, so underline Frost. Number 8. Poetry really makes me think. It uses only a few words to express big ideas. So what is it? It is poetry, so underline poetry. If you have any questions, definitely reach out. Your grammar check will be on Tuesday, so now is a good time to ask. Thanks, you guys. I'll see you soon.